Namaskar. In today's fast-paced world, taking care of skin is a very big task. Our skin gets affected because of various reasons like pollutants, stress, and our hectic lifestyle. This leads to dullness, aging, and various skin problems. That's why it is vital to nourish our skin from inside out. Today, we are going to prepare a special beverage called Skin Glow Juice. This drink is not just refreshing but also packed with ingredients specifically chosen for their skin enhancing benefits. In our juice, we have cucumber, spinach or kale, coriander, ginger, lemon, and optional chia seed. Each one has properties that benefit skin. Take one cucumber, peel if it's not organic, 2 cups spinach or kale leaves, 1 small handful of fresh mint leaves, handful of coriander, 1 small piece of ginger about 1 inch, 1 lemon juice, 1 to 2 teaspoon chia seed optional for added texture, and omega-3 fatty acids, 2 cups water or coconut water. Now let's see how to make it. Wash all vegetables thoroughly. Cut the cucumber and ginger into smaller pieces. In a blender, combine cucumber, spinach or kale, mint leaves, coriander, ginger and lemon juice. Add water or coconut water to help blending. Blend until smooth. If consistency is thick, add more water. Strain the mixture using a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth if you prefer a smoother juice. Pour the juice into a glass and stir in chia seeds if desired. Always check how your body feels after trying new food. This juice is a great way to start. In place of coriander, you can also have celery stalks or parsley. You can consume this juice twice a week or thrice a week for better result. Cucumber hydrates your skin. Spinach or kale brings antioxidants. Mint is refreshing. Coriander and its alternatives, they detoxify your body. Ginger helps digestion. And lemon boosts collagen with its vitamin C. Try making this juice and see how it works for you. When you drink juice, fill your mouth with juice. Let it be in your mouth. Leave it for some time and then drink. Let it mix with saliva. And this is how slowly you are supposed to drink juice and not just gulp fast. Apart from having juice, you must also focus on certain other disciplines for your skin health, like hydrate well, eat balanced meal, use a natural sunscreen, maintain a skincare routine, get enough sleep, practice yogic kriyas like Jalneti, Kapalbhati. Let's see certain don'ts. Avoid smoking, limit sun exposure, reduce stress, don't over exfoliate, avoid harsh chemicals. Follow all these disciplines sincerely and your skin will remain healthy for a long time. Take care. Namaskar.